Our lodge is unique because, we're on an island. We're in the middle of, matter of fact, we're in the middle of the Gulf of Cherokee National Park, which is a archipelago of islands, 12 miles off the Pacific coast. All around the lodge is jungle. There's 3 huge white sand beaches, all within walking distance, right out in front of the lodge. It's gorgeous. It's nature. I mean, it's hard really to paint the picture to people of how beautiful the place is by just showing it on the internet or on a website or something like that. It's really something that you got to experience. Another great thing about the lodge is the uniqueness of our fishery, and the diversity of our fishery. Offshore with the tuna, marlin, wahoo, dorado, that we catch, all season long. Great gear, great food, personalized service at the lodge, and then being out, National Geographic country to do it all is really a unique experience.